Right, it's Monday. I'm just off to see Nick. Well, it's Monday evening now. Off to see Nick. We go watch the sunset. Okay, so I just got told off by the police for holding my camera like this and videoing. Motorbike then, yeah.
So, Adam, what has just happened to you right now?
Well, the police pulled me over for filming myself on my bike, on my bicycle. It's pretty embarrassing, isn't it? But I'm a badass, and I'll continue doing it. Right then, today is the Ocean Beach opening. I'm just heading down there now, never been there before. So I just have to check out what the fuss is about. Let's go. We're out here, it's Ocean Beach opening party, Andy Rock's DJ policy. We're living life right now, it's amazing. You're so upset and pissed that you're not here. If you ain't got your ticket, well, make sure you book it. Come check us out. It's all going on. Ocean Beach Ibiza 2015. Oi, oi!
Whenever dark is falling, you know the spirit of the party starts to come alive until the day is dawning. We can throw out all the blues and hit the city lights, 'cause there's music in the air and lots of loving everywhere. So give me the night. Give it. You need the ease in action, a place to dine, a glass of wine, a little late romance, it's a chain reaction. We'll see the people of the world coming out to dance, 'cause there's music in the air and lots of loving everywhere. So give me the night. Give it. So come on out tonight.
Okay, so Ocean Beach was actually pretty good. I'm gonna definitely have to go back there when it's less busy. It's way too busy. So yeah.
There go the ghosts watching through my mind. It's smoking up my eyes. A scream, a boom, coming from that room. Though I was flickering.
Okay, so I left Ocean Beach early and we decided to come watch the sunset. That actually looks really nice tonight. And here it is.
This flying, it's fine.